Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add a page to Google Sites. The first thing you want to do once on your Google Sites dashboard, you are going to go over to the right hand menu option and you are going to select Pages. After selecting Pages, you are going to scroll down to the bottom and you are going to tap on the plus in the bottom right hand corner. And from here, you are going to select New Page. So you want to tap on New Page. Then you can select the page name. For example, I'll name this one Test. Then you'll tap on Done. After you have selected the page, you can see it right here and you'll now be able to edit the page. So if you want to insert anything, you could tap on Insert in the top right hand corner. And you could add images, you can add text, you can add content blocks if you want by simply tapping on content blocks. And that's it. After you're finished, you'll simply tap on publish in the top right hand corner. And thank you for watching.